Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a new user/employee using the Elite Technique system. Whether you're setting up a new team member for the first time or just need a refresher, the step-by-step guide will make the process simple and efficient. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate the system with confidence. So let's get started. First off, we're going to click on the 9 dots we have here. So we obtain the drop-down menu. We scroll down until we find the tab that says Settings and click on it. We then find and select Manage Users. These are the users that have been created previously in our system. Let's make a new one. So click on Create. First off, let's give them a name. We're going to call our new user Ronald L. And we're going to give Ronald an email. elitetechnique@gmail.com. Okay, now that Ronald's labeled, let's go down to where it says Access Rights. This is where you're going to determine how much access Ronald will have in our system. So here you have the different departments that we have: services, accounting, inventory, manufacturing, website, marketing, human resources, administration. So each of these have different options. If you want this person to have access rights, you click here. If you want him to just have access to the settings, you click here. If you don't want him to have any access at all, you just leave it blank, like it is here. And you can do the same with any other department. You can choose here if in manufacturing this new user is going to be just a user or have administrator rights. Or if you don't want this person to see anything in manufacturing, remember, we just leave it blank. Okay, so same goes for sales. If this person is going to be part of the sales team, you can determine if this person is going to be the administrator or have administrator rights, or just see the documents that will pertain to him or her. So next, we go to our Preferences tab. Here, you have to make sure that you select the correct language and the correct time zone, depending on where you are in the world. In my particular case, I'm in Colombia in South America, so my time zone is America and Bogota. If you want to have an email signature, this will be added at the end of each email that you send out. This is the place to do so, and you can edit it whichever way you want. Next on our tabs, we have the color index. This is simply so you can choose what color you want this user to appear with after he or she has been created. So when we're done and we're happy with the outcome and we have changed everything we want to change with this new user or assign everything we want it to be assigned, all that's left to do is for us to hit save. Now at this point, you won't be able to send the invitation to the new user so that he or she can reset the password and start using the account. So first off, we're going to go to Action and change the password so we can assign a password. I'm just going to use 876543221. When you're happy with the outcome, just click on Change Password. Now, you still won't be able to send out any invitations because you haven't verified your email. So if you know how to run a DNS check, please do so. If not, verify in your email. Check your spam box or any other inbox that this verification email went to. Until you verify the email, you won't be able to send out the invitation. So after all that has been sorted out, the final step is to click here where it says Create Employee. And now you have created a new user/employee in the Elite Technique system. Thank you very much.